How to fix Capcut template not showing in TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix Capcut template not showing in TikTok. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch TikTok application and log into your account. So if you are not getting Capcut, try this template. You simply need to exit from TikTok and now open Play Store or App Store. Tap the search icon at bottom left and the search bar at top of your screen. Now type in TikTok. And if there is any updates of TikTok, you need to select the update button and update it to the latest version. Now open TikTok. And then if you are not still getting the CapCut template, then what you need to do is the search or click on the search icon at top right corner of your screen and search for templates video. And here you can easily get all the template video. So let's open a particular one. And as you can see that we already have got Capcut try this template button. Now you can tap on it, add your own image and use this Capcut templates on TikTok. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.